my brother like Ken and Kel. See the rest of my niggas in jail. Now I smoke with that demon fish tail. Niggas hoes and they starting to reveal. Damn, I hope he don't tell. He silent, I'm paying his bills.
Where's your mother? Boy, if you don't get...
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ill. We're here again today with another video. Today is going to be like a tips and trickish type video. I'm going to be showing you how to turn up the clothes in your closet that you already got bogus. And I want to spice it up a little bit. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do real quick. Alright, we in the itty bitty bathroom with it. It's real tight. I'm claustrophobic, bruh. So, shout out Vertigo. Ooh. 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 Shout out Vertigo. Ooh. Ooh. Check the back. Ooh. Ooh. Peep the drip, man. Peep the drip. Jersey. 5 specially made jersey for yours truly. Vertigo. Ooh. Alright, so you peep with drip. Ooh. Ooh. Jacket fire, ain't it? Yeah, I know. But to be honest, the whole time it don't even look that bad, right? But you know the shirt kind of long, so if your shirt coming past your jacket, unless you want it like that, I mean that's cool. I do sometimes, but not this kind of jacket. And it's like real tight up in this area, which is why I made this video. I'm gonna show you what to do. It's like real tight in the arms, but you get the gist of it. So what we gonna do is cut the sleeves off. Yeah. But I have another video like this on my channel once before. You see me, I show you how to rip jeans. I do it all, bro. I'm multi-talented. Multi-talented. Call me Chris Brown. But what's good, y'all? I'm back. I had to find a little ghetto rig to set y'all up so y'all could see the boy real nice and easy. Yeah, my mama gonna kill me. Y'all know y'all sitting on the coffee machine, bro. Footage must be gotten. Gotta get the footage any way possible. But we have the jacket. Now we go cutty with the scissors. For all of you who don't know, to cut outside the lines. You see this line here? Cut outside the lines, bro. Y'all know this. We learned this in kindergarten. I'm finally done. Jeez, I ended up taking a minute. Now, if I had a razor, I would go ahead and scrape across this and give it like a rough vintage look, like it was made like this. But I don't think I have one. If I do, I'll run through that with y'all too. But on to the next sleeve. Man, this took a minute, bro. Alright, bro, I'm finally back. I kid you not, it's like 2 hours later. I don't know what took so long for me to cut that. I'm capping, it's only been like 20 minutes, but that is beyond me. That's way too long. But I do got the strap now, the little razor. So now I'm going, I think it's called, I don't know what this technique is called, but you see I'm trying to make it look vintage and make it look like this jacket been through the struggle. You feel me?
15 minutes later.
But like I said, it's 3 days later. Water supply running low. I haven't had ass in 4 days, but I'm still working. And I got the strap. I think it's called
I just like the sound of it.
Now you see how like ratted and tatted it look, rat-tatted. Do the same thing in this one, and I'll be back at you soon. Gang. Oh, smooth. Peep. Oh, peep a drip. Yeah. Oh, peep a drip. Hold up. Yeah. Definitely finna have to cut that. I didn't peep that part. But we gonna act like that's not there. You get the gist of it. Look, now you also got you some nice leg sleeves, arm sleeves when you get cold. Man. Just go ahead and throw these joints back on. You could do one if you want to be lit. Or you can give it to your lady. You know what I mean. Yeah, all type of superpowers with this, but since my fit looks super bogus right now, to end this video off with, I'm just gonna show y'all like the type of fit I put together with this, because this is the shirts they ain't cutting. But I hope y'all enjoy a quick little video on how to turn up and close your closet. You can do this with pretty much anything. You can cut this up. It's anything, you know. If you want to see any more tips about how to spice up your closet, just let me know. I'm down to do any type of video, bro. I do this. I do it all. I'm a triple threat, bro. Hit that sub button and I'm out.
I just like the sound.
Petty the pedal, me my brother like Ken and Kel. See the rest of my niggas in jail. Now the smoke with that demon fish tail. Niggas hoes and they starting to reveal. Damn, I hope he don't tell.